Hello students, welcome you to the video lecture. Today we are going to see about chapter 1 rational numbers, example 1 for the class 8. The first sum is find 3 by 7 plus minus 6 by 11 plus minus 8 by 21 plus 5 by 22. So first of all, what is rational number? Rational number is nothing but a fraction which is denoted by P by Q, where both P and Q are nothing but integers. So integers in the way it may be a positive number or negative numbers, and also Q value should not be equal to 0. That is nothing but the rational number. So for example, we can have 3 by 5 like this, okay, where both P and Q are nothing but integers and Q it is not equal to 0. So such type of value is nothing but a rational number. So let us now proceed with the problem given. So in order to find the sum of these four terms, first of all we need to see the denominator. If all the terms in the denominator is same value, then we can add just the numerator values available. But here the denominator values are different. So we need to find out the LCM of all the four values first. So that is our first step. So we have 7, 11, 21, 22. For all these four values we need to find the LCM. So let us check whether these values are divided by 2. So 7 is not divided by 2, so write as it is. 11 again it is not divided by 2, so write as it is. 21 is also not divided by 2, so write as it is. And 22 is divided by 2, so 22 divided by 2 is nothing but 11. So check with number 2, again all the values are not divided by 2, so leave that. Check with the 3. So 7 is not divided by 3, 11 is not divided by 3, 21 it is divided by 3, so 21 by 3 is 7. 11 again it is not divided by 3, so write as it is. So next check with other numbers 2, 3, 5, it is not divided. So let us go with the 7. So 7 divided by 7 is 1, 11 it is not divided by 7, again 7 divided by 7 is 1, 11 it is not divided by 7, so write as it is. So two values are 1, other two values are 11, so let me go with 11 itself. So 1 you can write as it is, 11 by 11 is 1, 1 again you can write as it is, 11 by 11 is 1. So when all the values becomes 1, now what are all the values available here? With these values we can find out the LCM. So the LCM is given by, we need to multiply all the values available here, that is 2 into 3 into 7 into 11. So 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. 42 into 11, so 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 4 is 4, again 2, 4, we have 2, 6, 4, so 462. So LCM of all these four number is nothing but 462. So once we determine the LCM, we can go to the problem. So now with the problem, we have in the left hand side 3 by 7 and plus into minus is nothing but minus, write 6 by 11 as it is. Plus into minus is minus and 8 by 21, here we have plus, write as it is, so 5 by 22. So we have determined now that for all the four values in the denominator, we have determined that it is 462, LCM is 462, that you can commonly write in the denominator. And when coming to the numerator, for each and every value it differs. So what we have to determine, which value we need to multiply with the numerator, that we need to find out. So first consider the first value. Here the denominator is a 7, okay. So this is the LCM, see the LCM, here the first value's denominator is 7, leave 7 alone, okay. What are all the other values, that values we need to multiply both in the numerator and denominator of the first value in order to get a common divisor, okay, in the denominator. So we have 2 into 3 is nothing but 6. So first eliminate the value 7 and write. So 2 into 3 into 11. Okay. So, this is the value which we need to multiply both numerator and denominator of the first term. So, 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 11 is 66. Okay. So, for your understanding I am just writing here 7 into 66 and 3 into 66. This is what we are going to do. So, 7 into 66 is nothing but 462. We will obtain the denominator, there is no issues. So, what will be there in the numerator for the first term? It should be 3 into 66. Okay. So, once we have determined that, we can write that value. So, 3 here it is, and what value we have determined? It is 66, that you have to write in the numerator. Similarly, find for other values. Okay. So, here it is 11. So, again now compare with the LCM term available. Okay, here it is 11. So, eliminate 11. What are all the other values available? You write here. So, 2 into 3 into 7. So, 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. Okay. So, 42 only we need to multiply both in the numerator and the denominator. So, 11 into 42 gives 462. So, numerator I should write minus 6 into 42. Okay. So, after determining that, since we have minus, write minus as it is, 6 as it is, now it is 42. So, write 42. Okay. Similarly, determine for other two values also. So, here it is 21. Okay. So, now again see your LCM. In order to get 21, what I have to multiply? 7 3s are 20. 7 3s are it is 21. So, eliminate this value as well as this value. Okay. So, 7 3s are 21, leave both the values, write remaining term. So, 2 into 11 is nothing but 22. So, this 22 we have to multiply with both numerator and the denominator. So, 21 into 22 and then minus 8 into 22. So, 21 into 22 is 462. So, numerator I should write minus 8 into 22. So, that we have to write in the numerator. So, minus 8 into 22. Similarly, for the last term, we need to find out the value. So, what is the value we have? We should get a 22, right? So, 2 into 11 is 22. So, leave this value and this value. So, what are all the other values available? It is 3 into 7, which is nothing but 21. So, for the last term 22 into 21 and then 5 into 21. Okay. So, 22 into 21 is 462. So, numerator it should be 5 into 21. So, after determining that, write in the numerator the proper value. So, it is 5 into 21. Okay. So, once you have determined all the values, multiply the values properly and write in the numerator. So, what is the value available? 66 into 3. So, 66 into 3 I have 6 3s are 18 and again 18 plus 1 is 198. So, first value is 198 and then second value it is 6 into 42. Okay, 6 2s are 12, 6 4s are 24 and then 25. Okay. So, second value is 252 and then 22 into 8, 8 2s are 16 and then 16 plus 1 is 176. So, 176. So, write the symbol properly. For first value it is positive, second value it is negative, third value it is negative. Again fourth term it is positive. So, 21 into 5. So, 5 and then 10, it is 105. Okay. Then the whole term is divided by 462. Okay. So, now while seeing the numerator, add first all the positive values. So, 198 plus 105 I have. So, 8 plus 5 is 13, 1 and then 10, 1, 303. Add all the negative values. So, I have 252, 176. So, 6 plus 2 is 8, 7 plus 5 is 12 and then I have 428. So I have positive value as 303 and negative value. So put minus and then minus 428 divided by 462. So finally I need to find out this sum. Okay. So minus 428 and I have plus 303, subtract both the values. 8 minus 3 is 5, 2 minus 0 is 2, 4 minus 3 it is 1. So higher value is negative value, so put minus symbol. Okay, so the value is minus 125 divided by 462. So this is my final answer. So for this sum, the final answer is minus 125 divided by 462. Okay, so thank you. Thanks for watching.